Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Moment channel. In this lecture, we will study about verification versus validation. We'll study what is verification, what is validation, what is major difference between verification and validation. We'll also study why verification and validation both are important, and we'll study a case study regarding both of them. So be connected to Engineering at Moment channel. Verification shows that product is as per dimension and specified product parameters, and validation makes sure that product meets end user requirements or not. Verification includes checking dimension and properties of the product, and validation includes checking product by fitting it in the mating part. Example of verification is inspection, checking, document review, etc. Example of validation is functional testing and simulation testing. Verification is generally performed by quality team and validation is generally performed by testing team. Now friends, in many manufacturing facilities, the quality personals are not only verifying the product but also validating the product. For example, if a company is manufacturing gauges, the most important requirement is gauge is meeting end users requirement or not. So quality personnel, they used to require to verify the gauge also, as well as they used to validate the gauge also. So there is always a common inspection between verification and validation. Now friends, we'll study a case study regarding verification and validation. Consider a pen manufacturing facility. So a pen will contain two main items, a pen body and a pen cap. So to manufacture pen, engineers are maintaining basically two important diameter of pen, that is 3 plus minus 0.2, and internal diameter of cap, that is 3.1 plus minus 0.2. So while verifying the verifying the pen, engineers will check both of these dimension, and while validating the cap, the engineers will have to check if pen is able to go into the cap with proper fitment or not. If pen will go in cap freely, it is not a proper fitment, and if pen is going into a cap forcefully, it is also not a proper fitment. So when pen will go into the cap in a easy method but not freely, so it will be a proper fitment, and then the pen will be properly validated and the results will be okay. So I hope friends, you all have enjoyed this lecture and understood the main difference between verification and validation. At Engineering at Moment channel, we will be bringing more lectures like this. Please like and share our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.